ఉపయోగిస్తాము? రోజు మ్యాథ్స్ ని ఎందుకు ఉపయోగిస్తామో దాని గొప్పతనం ఏమిటో ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుందాం.
When you are waking in the morning, 6 o'clock, right? Now you have classes also. You need to wake up at 6 o'clock only, and you have to complete your breakfast at 8 o'clock, and you have to start your online class. Yes? And what is the breakfast you are eating? I think idli, dosa. How many? Maybe 1, 2 or 3. Yes. And when you want to purchase anything, what you do? You will be taking the items, 3 items, 4 items or 5 items, and you are taking money to purchase that items. Yes? Then what is the shape of this bangle now? This is in circle. Now if you go for your matchbox or your book, what is the shape of this? That means math is all around you. That is the numbers. The numbers are around you. Without mathematics, there is nothing you can do. Everything around you is maths. Everything around you is numbers. That means if you are taking the watch also has numbers. See, we will see the time with that numbers only, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 11, and you will say that it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 12 o'clock and so on, like that. When you go on to the price, that is money, how can you see? As 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, like that. No children, you all like playing, but now in this situation we can't play outside. So in the indoor games only we are playing here, right? So in your indoor games, when you go for the snakes and ladders, there also we can see numbers. And if you are playing tambola, there also we can see the numbers from 1 to 90. That means wherever you go, the numbers and the mathematics follows you. See who is there in this picture? You know him? He is Srinivasa Ramanujan, a great mathematician. He came from a Brahmin family where his father worked as a clerk in the cloth store, and his mother is a housewife. But the parents doesn't know that he will become a great mathematician. You know that in the higher education only, the maths, he started fun with doing this maths. He likes to solve the problems in various methods. He reached a stage to develop his own method to solve so many equations. He used to find the solutions to the problems with his own intelligence. Do you know when he has done all this? It is only at 13 years old. That means when he is in 13 years old, he was fond of mathematics and he has done all the problems on his intelligence only. And the valuable thing in the mathematics is, that is SPAM. S-P-A-M, SPAM. S means you have to show interest. P means the practice in the mathematics. How much you practice, that much makes you perfect in the mathematics. A means arithmetic calculations. You need to be very perfect in the arithmetic calculations. And M means multiplication tables. When you are very perfect with these 4, you will be gaining more and you will be perfect in your maths and you will be doing very good in the mathematics.
Maths యొక్క గొప్పతనం ఏమిటో వీడియోలో చూశారు కదా. ఎక్కువ శాతం మంది విద్యార్థులకు మ్యాథ్స్ అంటే చాలా భయం. మ్యాథ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ వచ్చిందంటే చాలు ఒంట్లో వణుకు పుడుతుంది. కానీ మ్యాథ్స్ మన జీవితంలో చాలా ముఖ్యమైనది. మీకు తెలుసా డిసెంబర్ 22ని గణిత దినోత్సవంగా ఎందుకు జరుపుకుంటామో? రామానుజన్ యొక్క 125వ జయంతి సందర్భంగా మద్రాస్ విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో 26th ఫిబ్రవరి 2012న మన మాజీ ప్రధానమంత్రి డాక్టర్ మన్మోహన్ సింగ్ గారి ప్రకటన ప్రకారం 22nd డిసెంబర్న జాతీయ గణిత దినోత్సవాన్ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నారు. 2012వ సంవత్సరాన్ని జాతీయ గణిత సంవత్సరంగా ప్రకటించారు. ఈ పాటికి మనం స్కూల్లో ఉంటే మనం మ్యాథ్స్ డేని డాన్స్ పర్ఫార్మర్లతో స్పీచ్లతో బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేసే వాళ్ళం కదా. అందుకే ఇప్పుడు మీకు హుషారు తెప్పియడానికి నేను ఒక డాన్స్ పర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాను. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Dimples E Thought. Thanks for watching.